is bad.
Eastern Warwick County in southwestern Indiana. Spencer County in southwestern Indiana. Northern Davis County in northwestern Kentucky until 9 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Newburgh, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. The storm produced 90 miles per hour winds in Henderson. Take cover now. Expected hazards include tornado and
90 per hour
quarter-size hail.
winds?
This is a radar-indicated
90
threat.
miles per hour winds, is
The
what I said?
following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Eureka around 8:20 p.m. Dale and Santa Claus around 8:40 p.m.
Oh, not Holiday World.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tennyson, Gentryville, and Crisney. This includes Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 46 and 60. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer and Warwick and Davis, Kentucky.